Welcome to my channel PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I go over many different ways AI is being used when it comes to video and audio surveillance. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you do not miss out on any news or information pertaining to AI surveillance you may want to know about. There may be some links in the description below you can check out pertaining to each tutorial. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. You ever feel like you're constantly being watched? With every camera, every smart device, every drone, modern surveillance isn't just watching, it's predicting. But what if you could become invisible to the systems designed to track your every move? In this video, we're not just talking theories, we're showing you the practical art of disappearing. When it comes to evading modern AI surveillance, which involves a multi-pronged approach combining digital privacy measures, physical obfuscation techniques, and advocating for stronger legal protections, the main goal is to make data collection and analysis by AI systems difficult and unreliable. Digital and online privacy techniques, such as limit social media sharing, avoid sharing personal information such as locations and photos online. The AI algorithms can and will use this data for profiling and identification. Also disable auto-tagging features for photos you or others post. Use privacy-enhancing tools. Do not go the cheap route, but use a reputable VPN to browse the internet privately. And do not forget to mask your location and activity. Strengthen account security. Use strong unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) on all accounts, as AI can make hacking weak passwords easier. Manage data permissions. Be mindful when it comes to the terms and conditions of apps and services, and opt out of unnecessary data sharing. In many cases, you can set an opt-in default for data collection using features like Apple's app tracking transparency or browser-based global privacy control. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating systems, software, and apps to patch vulnerabilities that AI-powered cyber attacks could exploit. Pay with cash. Cash is still king to use for transactions whenever possible to avoid creating a digital trail of your purchases and movements. Encrypt data. Encrypt your important data to protect it from unauthorized access, especially if stored on devices like mobile phones. Physical obfuscation and evasion techniques to evade AI surveillance, which consist of modify appearance or the use of adversarial techniques. Let's go over a few, starting with modify appearance. Simple techniques to use such as wearing masks, hats, and sunglasses to obscure facial features. Some specialized masks, like the incognito mask, that are designed with geometric shapes to specifically confuse facial recognition algorithms. Researchers have also developed software like Focus, which cloaks photos with hidden pixel changes that will also trick deep learning models without being visible to the human eye. Adversarial techniques. In the presence of security AI cameras, you can use strong, focused infrared light sources or reflective surfaces like IR reflective tape or clothing. This will overexpose the camera sensor or create glare, rendering the footage unusable. Research has shown that holding a color printout with a specific pattern adversarial patch could hide a person from an AI-powered object recognition system. By changing a few pixels in an image can fool a deep learning model into misidentifying it completely. Most importantly, stay informed. Keep up to date with new AI surveillance methods and countermeasures. Awareness is a primary defense. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links, if any, will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any important AI surveillance information that is currently out there. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails that will be floating around at the end, pertaining to similar content, and do not forget PeekAboo-AI. See you.